Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a listing on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. And now all you need to do is to go to the selling portal so you can find your listings. And basically here you will find your or the list of all your listings and your product that you are selling. After that, you will need to go to these three dots and click on them. And here we will find delete listing. Basically, you click on it and it will appear a confirmation message, and then you will need just to confirm by clicking delete, and you will have your listing that will be deleted from the Facebook Marketplace successfully. So basically, those are the steps to delete your listing on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you next time.